Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kathy, and I'd like to welcome you to our attraction, The Magic of Disney Animation. Throughout our attraction, we have a drawing class where you can pick up a pencil and learn how to draw a Disney character. We have characters here for your meet and greet pleasure. We have some interactive computers. You can find out what character is most like you. It's called You're a Character. While inside our theater, you're going to see how we bring an animated character to life. You know, we have over 1,000 of them. Well, I'm going to choose one of my favorites, and that's this little dragon. Or is he a lizard?
Dragon, not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.
You know, characters go through a lot of changes before you meet them. Like this guy. In the story Mulan, Mushu wasn't Mushu. In fact, he wasn't even a dragon.
Hold it! Hold it! What do you mean I wasn't a dragon?
Well...
Can you believe this? See, I'm 100% grade A dragon. See, what the...
Well, Mushu, when Disney artists first started thinking about a sidekick for Mulan, your character was nothing like you are now.
Excuse me, who are you?
Kathy.
And who are they?
Yes.
And what happened to China?
Oh, well, Mushu, I'm delighted to tell you, out of all the Disney characters I've chosen...
You saying I may already be a winner?
Yeah, no. I'm saying I've chosen you to show them where Disney characters come from.
I know where I came from. That's easy.
Oh, good.
See, when a mama dragon and a papa dragon...
Oh, no, Mushu, that's not what I mean. Maybe I should have chosen Timon.
I heard that.
Mushu, you're lucky to even be here.
Yeah, right.
You know, not all characters make it to the finished film. Like the movie Pocahontas. Her sidekicks were originally going to be a raccoon, a hummingbird, and a turkey.
Say what?
Well, then they decided two's company and three's a crowd, and they dropped that little old rabbit just like that.
A hummingbird and a turkey? I don't even see that working for a sitcom. Hey, don't crowd me, poultry.
Well, you're right. And the story team agreed. They decided that the turkey was not working out. So they brought back Miko as Pocahontas' sidekick in that turkey. It became an entree.
Ooh, you eat the sidekicks you don't use?
Well, let's just say we've had some very interesting barbecues around here. Oh, where was I? Oh, yes. Characters evolve in many ways, and you're no different. Like the story of Mulan, originally her bird.
What? And what? See, now I know you're crazy, because these guys don't look nothing like me.
Mushu, that's because they haven't thought of making you a dragon yet.
Excuse me? I have always been a dragon.
Oh.
Here, let me show you.
Okay.
You see? Me and my cousin, Elliot the dragon.
I don't think so.
Me and my baseball team, the Chuichi
I
dragon.
didn't know you liked baseball.
You play my game, Dungeons the dragon.
There's no way.
Me and Cher.
Cher, okay. What does Cher have to do with you being a dragon?
Well, nothing. But you think Cher would be seen with either one of those two losers?
Oh,
What you
I
looking
see.
at?
I think what we need to do is call in some of your old friends and help you recall where you first began.
Hi, Mushu. Remember me?
That's the answer! I didn't know it! I didn't do it!
Sorry, let me turn it down a little. Mushu, I need you. Come
I
down.
remember when you were nothing more than an idea, Mushu. That's when I came in and started doing some sketches for how you might look.
And you would be...
That's Chris. He was one of your earliest designers and head of story development for Mulan.
Hey, guys.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, everybody.
Look, I gotta go and save China or something. That would be me, the dragon.
Mushu, doesn't Chris look familiar?
Yeah, I think I saw his picture at the poster.
I guess you really don't remember Mushu, but as we developed the story, we learned that two of you was too much Mushu and too little Mulan. Remember, the story is called Mulan.
Yeah, you know, I meant to speak to somebody about that.
Mushu.
So we kept sketching, and soon you became a dragon.
Yeah, we're getting somewhere.
With two heads.
Hey, another Mushu double fun. Man, you fine looking.
Mushu, here's the talking about you.
What kind of sideshow freaky looking thing is that? Somebody cooking chicken.
Mushu, your tail's on fire.
I'm barbecuing! Moving me, man! This ain't no Chinese fire drill! Heads up! I mean down!
I hope so. Thank you, Chris.
Yeah, thanks for making me what I am today. Confused and slightly toasted.
I'll say.
So you're saying that after they got rid of all those other Mushus, they quickly decided on the mighty and powerful Mushu that is me?
Well, actually, no.
Okay, now you're just being difficult.
No. But once they decided on making you a dragon...
The next step was figuring out what kind of dragon you might be.
I know that voice. Hey, that guy owes me money.
No, that's Tom, your supervising animator. Hi, Tom.
Hi.
My super what?
Hey, Mushu, how have you been?
Well, apparently I've been everything except a chicken and a peanut.
Well, we like you as a dragon, but there are many different kinds of dragons.
I got an idea. How about a one-headed dragon? Thank you very much.
That was a good idea.
Ow!
Well, since there weren't a whole bunch of dragons running around for us to study, we looked at Chinese paintings, tapestries, and carvings, and discovered that you're made up of a lot of animal parts.
Great. I'm a Chinese hot dog.
We learned that you should have the body of a snake,
What?
the horns of an elk, the claws of an eagle, and the face of
Brad Pitt?
a
A
camel.
camel? Who was in on that meeting?
And if you look at yourself, you'll see you're the traditional S shape found in Chinese art of the time.
You think this looks anything like me?
Yeah.
What do you know about that? I was inspired by the mightiest dragons of all Chinese folklore.
But to go with Mulan, you had to be downsized.
Hey. I prefer travel size.
Well, it was great to see you again, Mushu. Hey, give me a call.
I'll give you a call. Collect. You just lucky my pilot light is out.
Oh. Well, Mushu, there's one thing left in creating a memorable Disney character.
What's that?
And that's when the animator brings the character to life. They have to get the movie
Oh.
just right. You see, they have to act out the scenes and get up and move around.
Oh, you people got issues.
Well, that's why animators are sometimes called actors with pencils.
It's all starting to make sense now, isn't it, Mushu?
Wait a minute. I know that voice.
Of course you do. That's Pam, the producer of Mulan.
That's right. How y'all doing? Hey, and you're my background artist, and my cleanup artist, my layout artist, and my coffee guy, and my personal trainer.
Hey, looking good.
Ow!
Watch out.
Mushu, are you alright?
Oh, of course I am, because I'm an animated character. Hey!
And that's why we love you.
Aw.
Ah, yeah, so I can sop you up with a biscuit. What you looking at?
Ooh, nothing. While those two get reacquainted, how about if we take a quick look at some of our newer characters from the movie Big Hero 6?
Newer, but not better than me, right?
All right, roll it.
Hello?
I am Baymax.
Big Hero 6 is a story of one hero who befriends this really lovable robot in Baymax.
It is all right to cry.
I'm not crying.
He can really do everything. Like, he could take one look at you and determine if there's something wrong with you.
I will scan you for injury.
Don't scan me.
Scan complete.
Unbelievable. He's designed to care. And that's what Baymax does. He cares for Hero.
Please exercise caution.
What's with you and Balloon Man?
He's kind of fantastic. Baymax is my favorite.
Hero and his friends are dealing with some big things, like a supervillain.
How cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool?
They become a group of heroes. Is that Baymax?
Hero's friends rally together and they become a part of Big Hero 6.
You guys, do you feel this? Our origin story begins.
It's like a combination of all the things that I love about animation. What's wrong with you?
Low battery.
Big Hero 6, how else can you describe it except adventure, comedy? It's pretty funny.
Harry baby. Harry baby.
Heart, 3 times the heart of any other movie out there.
My hands are equipped with defibrillators. We're...
Stop! It's just an expression.
Oh man, I loved it. Beautiful. 2 claws way up. Only one thing that would make it better.
What's that?
Me. You know I come in at the end, save the day, win the girl.
I don't know about that.
Look, I'm just saying a little Mushu makes everything better.
Everything, Mushu? I don't see how.
Where you going? Wait up. I got a lot of ideas here.
Well, they have things to do and places to go. Maybe we could hear a few ideas.
Snow White and the 7 Mushu.
That's like 6
that.
too many.
Mushu and Tarzan, you know, kind of mismatch, buddy cop kind of
that's
thing.
kinda weird.
Mushu and the Beast.
Can you all picture
Huh?
Mushu and the Beast?
How about,
I don't know.
the Mushu of Notre Dame? Mushu and the Tramp?
Well, as you can see, Mushu does have a lot of ideas. I don't think we'll be using any of those. Well, that's it for our show. Thank you so much for your time. Please gather your belongings. We'll be exiting to your left to the back of the theater and enjoy the rest of your visit here at Walt Disney World. Thank you all for stopping by.